my full comprehensive review of Philippine Airlines. So I recently had a layover at Manila's Ninoy Aquino International on my way to Los Angeles, and this was my first time flying Philippine Airlines, so I was anxious to see what it was like. Side note, let me just say one thing I was a little disappointed in was the fact that the airport did not have a Jollibee in it. How the hell does the busiest airport in the Philippines not have a Jollibee? Luckily, I'm reviewing the airline, not the airport. But anyway, let me first start off by saying the best part of this flight was the staff. Filipinos are already pretty well known for their pleasant, jolly demeanor, and say what you want, but the staff was a complete embodiment of that positive stereotype. Also, they are a member of the Star Alliance, which I wish I had known before my flight. Now I have to retroactively claim my flight miles. Upon entering the aircraft, I noticed the seats had a sort of muted blue color to them, which personally gave me a slight hospital room feeling. I did notice the seats had those adjustable winged headrest things, although I will be honest, the seats were just standard and pretty much what you would expect from a coach seat, nothing to rave about comfort-wise. I noticed the overhead sections only had reading lights, no adjustable personal air nozzles. Everyone is given a blanket, pillow, headphones, and a small welcome pouch with a sleep mask and socks with a dental kit, which is an appreciated gesture. I noticed there were no plug outlets though, only USB-C and oddly enough USB-B outlets, which I haven't seen since like 2017, but okay. The entertainment screens were a little outdated with weak monitor touchscreens that you would sometimes have to push really hard to make your selection, and if that was too much of a burden, you would have to use the controller to make your selection. The safety video was amazing though. I loved how it incorporated various regions of the Philippines to showcase the vast and colorful regions of the country. I love it when airlines do this for their flagship airlines. It's sort of like a cool diplomatic gesture to give you an insight to the nation the airline represents. Entertainment options were okay, typical Hollywood blockbusters, plus a wide selection of mostly Asian and Filipino cinema. The flight map was not an interactive globe, but rather an older static 2D route map. Little disappointed in that because I love playing with interactive route maps. The food was actually not bad. They kept the Filipino theme. For dinner, you had a choice between beef salpicao and an attempted chicken piccata as an alternative. I chose the beef, thought it was decent. Then for breakfast, it was a choice between chicken sigsig and a breakfast casserole with Hungarian sausage and egg quiche, which was okay as well. Overall, the experience felt like a flight that was trying hard to appease you with the pleasant staff and service to make up for the outdated quality of the aircraft and its physical interior. For a flagship carrier, I was hoping it would have been a more praiseworthy experience, but it ended up being just kind of an incredibly okay and standard flight, falling short of anything I could deem outstanding. Therefore, I'm gonna have to give this airline a 5.2 out of 10. 0.2 because the staff was really nice and smiley, and the effort was really appreciated, but still incredibly average.